Hello, 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 and welcome back to Joey's World. Okay, guys, so in this episode, we're going to be doing some Beetlejuice makeup for my best friend's son's birthday party / Halloween party. Of course, this was last year, but anyway, it was so much fun doing this look, and so here I go, putting on some white face makeup just all over. So with Beetlejuice, it's very splotchy, so it's just all over the place. Oh, look at me jamming out. Ow, 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 ow. I am doing my whole entire face with my fingers because I knew it was going to be a messy look. So I'm taking some red, like fuchsia red, all over my eyes and then putting it all over my lips, around the outer parts of my lips as well. Taking some purple, putting that also around my eyes I'm using my index finger, and that's basically my whole entire finger that I used in the whole entire thing, I believe. And just really smudging it in and then blending it out, almost in the feather kind of motion. And then at the outer corners of my lips again, taking some black, and all this is shadow colors as well. And just going back and forth, window wiping, window wipe, wipey wipe, wipey wipe. And now putting it under my eyes, over my eyes, under my eyes. Well, with this look, like I said, it does not have to be perfect. It's really just a hot mess, basically. Oh, nothing is perfect with this look. Just really have fun with it. Now I'm taking a little bit of that black and I'm putting it right in the inner part of my lips. And looking in the mirror, the camera. And now I'm taking this crazy sponge here, and it just gives a more splotchy, messy, dirty kind of look. And he also kind of have a mustache as well. Now I'm also contouring my nose with that too. Nothing's perfect, remember. Doing a little bit of contour right there with now some purple, deeper purple kind of colors. Give it that contour. Now he also is old, so I'm doing some lines in my forehead. So that's always fun. I'm wanting to look old, right? And now I do this crazy thing with my neck. So it can really give it that depth and that dead kind of look. Going around my eyes, and now I'm taking some of that green because he has like moss on him as well. Remember, he was like buried alive, I believe, or something like that. And so I'm taking that green, putting it all over. There's no placement. Now I want to like do some highlight like with the neon greens. So just like I'm putting it anywhere, really, honestly. Just put it wherever you feel like it wants to be. And putting it around my mustache. I didn't even shave for this as well. Just wanted to be super messy and disgusting and grotesque and ugly as possible, but I think I look pretty damn sexy if you ask me. Here we go, putting it on the cheeks. I'm putting it on the nose as well. You know, it's all about those little tiny details that matter and that really, 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 really pop. Putting it in the inner corners. Look, taking some more coffee because I just live off of coffee. Now here we go with the moss. Now I bought this off of Amazon. You can get off Amazon. I think it was like $3 to $5. I'm not too sure. And it comes on like a sheet, and then I just break it up. And I'm taking some, it wasn't eyelash glue. It was, oh my god, I totally spazzed out and I forgot what kind of glue it was. But it wasn't the proper kind of glue. Actually, it was latex. Do not put latex in your hair or on your brows. And yeah, I put it in my hair, and you will see that soon, and it was the wrong thing to do. But anyway, so I'm putting this all over. I'm putting as much moss as I can, as a mustache as well. It was so much fun doing this look, and you guys will see soon what my best friend was. We were kind of like a duo, a couple to this look. Now I'm taking it off, putting it as a contour, but no, I'm gonna put it over here instead. All right, let's see here. Now I'm gonna put some there, boink, 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 boink. Put some on my neck. Now we have a lot of moss on my neck. Wasn't that just magic? Oh, like I said, I'm just placing it wherever I feel like it wants to be. Just go with it. Oh, there she goes. You see that lady in red? we might see her again. Now I'm taking a little bit of some green hairspray and spraying it wherever, really. Just little spots, those little tiny little spots that really pop because it was a really, really bright green. Like a true bright neon green. Oh, there she is again, half done. Can you guys guess who she is? Oh, there she is again with her fine ass. All right. Oh, there she is. Okay, now down the nose, do a little bit of highlighting. Oh, there she goes again. And lips, I'm making them more pale. Kind of like a purple pale there. There we go. Now, this wig I wanted to put on and see what it would look like because he did have crazy hair. But then I changed my mind. I was like, girl, bye. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, there she goes. Now, I'm taking a little bit more, just, you know. And now I'm going to put it in my hair, which I totally regret. I do not recommend this if you use latex because it's going to be a bitch to take it out, okay? Girl, why are you doing that? Why? No. Let's just stop while you're ahead. But nope, did she listen? Nope, 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 nope. And shave your armpits, girl. Alright, so now I'm just placing it anywhere and everywhere that I feel like it needs to be. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Just place it on there. And use eyelash glue. Eyelash glue, okay? And use a clear one. Oh, look, here she goes. Half done. She ain't even ready, and we gotta be done in about 3 minutes. Girl, bye. I'm just kidding. All done. Now, we are going to strip. Ooh, look at that. Look at those muscles, honey. Oh, put on that shirt. That shirt, I think, is from Forever 21. I got that, like, many years ago. Bam. All done. Let's see how the best friend's doing. She's in the back. Oh, yep. She is all green, honey. Can you guess who she is? She is Miss Argentina. Look at them boobies. I told her she looks good in green. Bam! And we are done. Miss Argentina and Beetlejuice. Fine ass Beetlejuice. Okay, goodbye. Oh, cool. Okay, so these pants, I forgot where I got them from. Actually, Hot Topic. Put the whole outfit by myself together really, really quick. Everything was from my closet, just like everything else. Except that moss, Amazon.com. This is her son. He killed it. I forgot what that is. And now this is her husband. And he is one of the football players. And we got him ready like in 5 to 10 minutes. Seriously, both of us were working on him. Oh, look at them. So cute. Little lovebirds. All right. And now we are starving because we didn't eat all day. Oh, Trump supporter. I don't know about that one. I'm just kidding. She's okay. Anyway, that's my nephew. He's so cute. Don't, that's my sister right there. Oh, you better work, queen. Get that pose. Get it. Get it. Snap, snap, snippity snap. And now here's all of us together. We make an awesome group picture. Okay, and now here's both of us chilling on the graveyard site. Oh, who's that?
I'm me, Boba.
You're SpongeBob? I'm Beetlejuice. Bam, and we're back. Look at my gorgeous sister. Okay, you better work, queen. Look at that contour. Oh, my little niece. One of my nieces. And then those are my best friend's sons. They look so awesome. That's the birthday boy to the left. Oh, that's the birthday boy right there in the middle. Look at my nephew playing with them. Bam, look at that. That's disgusting. Don't ever do that shit. All right, and then I had to do this shit, put my head underneath the heater with some moisturizing shit. Okay, you guys, so this was the full video. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment and share with all your friends. And have a beautiful day, and happy Halloween. Mwah. Mwah.